Measurements: follow the recommended couscous to water ratio. For the specific type of couscous you're using, boil, water, or broth, bring water or broth to a boil in a pot. For added flavor, consider using vegetable or chicken broth. Add salt and oil. Once boiling, add salt and a bit of olive oil to enhance the couscous flavor and prevent sticking. Stir couscous in. Gradually stir the couscous into the boiling water, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Remove from heat. As soon as you've added the couscous, remove the pot from heat and cover it with a lid. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Fluff with a fork. After 5 minutes, use a fork to fluff the couscous, separating the grains for a light and fluffy texture. Add butter or oil for extra richness. Add a small amount of butter or olive oil while fluffing the couscous. Season to taste. Season the couscous with salt and pepper according to your taste preferences. Incorporate herbs and spices. Mix in chopped herbs like parsley, cilantro, or mint, and spices such as cumin or coriander for added flavor. Add nuts or dried fruits. Enhance the couscous by tossing in toasted nuts like almonds or pine nuts, and dried fruits like raisins or apricots. Citrus zest for a refreshing twist. Grate citrus zest, lemon, or orange into the couscous for a burst of flavor. Serve warm. Couscous is best served warm, either as a side dish or as a base for other recipes. Pair with proteins. Serve couscous with grilled chicken, fish, or roasted vegetables for a balanced meal. Sauce or dressing. Drizzle a light sauce or dressing over the couscous for added moisture and flavor. Experiment with variations. Explore different couscous varieties, such as whole wheat or pearl couscous, and experiment with various flavor combinations to suit your taste preferences.